Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about change real quick. So, change is something that I'm experiencing a lot of, almost like at light speed right now in my life. I am in the process of healing childhood trauma, high school trauma, college that occurred in college. Trauma that occurred in college and everything. And I'm also trying to grow as a person and improve myself. And so it's really overwhelming almost how fast I'm changing. And a lot of my life I've been very about control, and I want to control things and the outcome of things and control how my body looks and all of this, because I don't know, that's the main symptom of OCD and anxiety, that if maybe if I have control, I won't be, I can prevent bad things from happening, or whatever that means. But what I'm trying to do right now with all this change and healing and improvement that I'm experiencing is let go of control. Let go of these past identities I have for myself. Let go of, I'm eating healthier. I'm exercising in a way that feels good intuitively to me. I'm eating intuitively. I am just going about my life a lot more intuitively and in a flow state. And it's hard to not really be able to predict the outcome and know exactly what I'm gonna look like what my personality's changing into, what it's gonna end up like. And it's also kind of cool to watch in real time, but it's stressful and cool at the same time. I can see in real time my personality changes, and even to myself, I always like to be a witness of my life and kind of look at myself from an outside perspective. And it's like, wow, I really expected myself to act this way in that situation, and that's really most of the time it's really cool. All of the time it's I'm acting in a healthier way, and my boundaries are better, and the way that I hold myself is better. But it's just such a fast change because I feel like it's so accelerated with the healing and the self-growth that I'm doing, and the time alone I have to do those things, that it's I take a step back mentally almost, and I'm like, who am I? Who was that? But I started off recording this because I was kind of scared of all these changes, and I've always been able to control the outcome, control this, control that. But I'm really diving into natural beauty, self-growth and healing and self-love, and just letting go of any expected outcome, and just letting it be myself, be whatever I become, while making all of these new extremely healthy choices out of love for myself and love for everyone else. And so I'm proud of myself, and I hope that you're proud of yourself too, and let go of any expectations you have for your self-growth, self-healing, or spiritual journey, and just fully trust that you're going to be beautiful no matter how you end up. There's no way you can't be.